Did you know that you can help your kids learn letter recognition by sorting your socks out? Let's take a look at how that's possible. Let them try sorting it by size. Great work! Now let's try sorting them by color. Wow, look at you go! Can you sort them by patterns? Amazing! Okay, now try sorting them by the direction that they are facing. Sorting activities like this one help your child see differences and similarities. Bonus, they're lots of fun and there's tons of right answers. Just ask them, how are they the same and how are they different? This way of thinking helps build pathways necessary to read letters and words in different fonts. For more tips, visit our story time each week and get great tips on how to help your child master these skills in fun ways at home. When I put together story times, I always offer early literacy tips. I also choose at least one book that is either written or illustrated by someone of color. Diverse stories like this are very important for children to see. It's also important to include rhymes, hand plays, and songs that come from different cultures.